Preventions, like they say, is better than cure. And as humans, there are some problems we can easily prevent from happening than waiting or seeking for solutions when it has actually happened. Why I'm actually putting up this video is because of the story my wife told me yesterday about a certain person who misplaced his phone or whose phone was stolen. And before you know, a lot of transaction which he didn't carry out was carried out on his behalf, and he lost a lot of money. And to the extent that the people or the people that stole the phone actually used the phone to buy Bitcoin, like we already know is illegal. Nigerian banks would allow the purchase of Bitcoin using our banks, and the person did that. So what I'm putting up is, like I said, it's for you to prevent that. So how can you do this? You can simply lock your SIM, and that's what the person ought to have done. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to lock your SIM cards on Android phones. And for my Nigerian users, that uses the major networks in Nigeria, the MTN, Airtel, 9 Mobile, and Globacom. So I'll be giving you some passcodes which you don't actually know, some codes you use while trying to carry out this function. So that's what we should looking at in this video. So if you're visiting this video for the first time, or this channel for the first time, Chibuzagwa is my name, and Blog Infotech is the name of this channel. So what we do here is that we dish out tutorials related to technology on a daily basis or periodically as the spirit leads. I put up the video. So if you want to be part of this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notifications so that I get notified whenever I put up my next video. So having done that, we have to move to my phone screen. Then I'll show you how to do that. I'll be using two different phones. I'll be using my Xiaomi phone and my Infinix phone. Infinix, Techno, and the rest, they have similar methods. The methods in Xiaomi is quite different. So that's why I'll be using Xiaomi first, then you see how it's done on Infinix. So now let's go to my phone screen, then I'll show you how to do that. So we are now on the view of my Xiaomi phone screen, which I told you I shall be starting with. Before we proceed, let me reveal the PIN codes for the various networks that are in Nigeria. That is the telecommunication network. And like I said from the beginning, the major ones are MTN, Airtel, 9 Mobile, and Globacom. So their PIN codes are actually for MTN. We have 5 zeros, which is 00. Then that of Airtel is 1 into 4 places, which is 1111. Then 9 Mobile and Globacom actually have the same PIN codes, which are 0000. That is 4 zeros. These are the default pins that comes with the SIM card, which you shall be needing if you want to lock your SIM. So having done that, you can easily note those numbers that I talked about there on your screen. You can write them down. Then if you're using any of the network, you can kickstart with it or maybe share it with your friends. So now let's get started. Now to lock your SIM card using a Xiaomi phone or a Redmi phone, all you have to do, first of all, you have to go to settings. Then once you're in your settings, you scroll and search for where it says password and security. As you can see, you tap on password and security. This view will pop up. Then you now scroll below to the point that it says privacy. So you click on privacy. So once you are here, as you can see, the two mobile network or the two SIM cards that are on this phone actually displayed, which is MTN Nigeria and Globacom Nigeria. So now let's start with that of MTN. So you tap on MTN. Now to take you to this place, we say SIM lock settings, lock SIM card. So all you have to do to lock the SIM card is to toggle on this button. So you toggle on the lock and you see a prompt comes up requesting for SIM pin. Like I told you, I've revealed the pin, the default pin that comes with all the networks. And since we are using MTN, let's input that of MTN, which is zeros into 5 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click on OK, and automatically you can see the SIM is already locked. So that doesn't mean you stop at this extent, because yes, you've locked your SIM, but I believe that those that want to steal your phone are already familiar with the default pins of each network. So all you have to do is to change your pin. You click on change pin, then input any number that you know that you can easily remember. I always advise someone never to use his or her birth date. So for instance, let me say it will request for the old pin first. So you first of all post the old SIM pin, which is the 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you tap on OK. Then now your new pin. Now let's just choose 5454. That's for this video's sake, and that's not my pin. So you tap on OK. Then you retype the pin again, which is 5454. Then you tap on OK. So automatically you have locked the SIM to a pin that even if this phone is missing, you can't easily access that SIM card. Even if you remove the SIM card and put in another phone, it will always request for that pin before it can be used. So now we've done that of MTN. Now let's do that of Glo. So you do the same method. You toggle this. SIM lock is now on. Then you remember what I said, the default pin for Glow is actually what? 4 zeros, which is 0 0 0 0. You tap on OK. Now automatically it has locked. So you can do the same and carry out and change the same pin of your phone. So now simply let's now move that of to Infinix phone. So for the Infinix phone, like I told you, the method are quite similar. So all you have to do is tap on settings, then scroll down a bit to the portion you search for security and locations. You tap on it, you scroll down a bit, then you also tap on SIM card lock. As you can see, the MTN on this SIM is already locked, so let's lock the Airtel. So you tap on Airtel, you toggle it on, then you input the pin which I talked about, which is 1 into 4 places, then you click OK. You can also change the pin just like I did in my data of MTN using my Xiaomi phone. So my 9 mobile SIM is another phone, which I wouldn't want to waste your time showing you the process on how to do it. So once you know the default pin, which is 4 zeros, you can easily do that and lock your 9 mobile SIMs. So actually, anybody that steals your phone, nobody wants your phone anymore. All they after is your SIM card. So in this video, I actually showed you or taught you how to lock your SIM card on Android phone. So if you like this video, like I said, give it a thumbs up and simply share this video to your friends, colleagues, families, and friends so that they wouldn't fall victims of this criminals out there. So we've come to the end of this video, and like I said, from Mr. Chibuzagwa is my name. So hit the subscribe button, be part of this channel, and we'll see in my next video. Bye bye for now.